This method probes the solution interactions between Lewis acids and carbonyls under synthetic conditions. This technique can be applied for mechanistic insight into carbonyl-centered reactions. We can observe Lewis acid-carbonyl complexes in real time under reaction conditions, allowing for the observation of the behavior of substrates and products with the catalyst.
This method provides insight into the fundamental interactions of molecules, giving the synthetic chemist the necessary information to design high-yielding procedures. This system can be applied to any solution interaction that results in a change in equilibrium that can be detected in the infrared spectrum.
To begin, open the Data Acquisition software. Click Instrument. Under the Configure tab, click Collect Background. Click Continue. Set scans to 256 and click OK to collect a background. Then, in the Data Acquisition software, click File. Click New. Click Quick Start. Set duration to 15 minutes and sample interval to 15 seconds. Click Create to create the experiment. Put a flame-dried 25 ml 2-neck round-bottom flask charged with a stir bar into a glove box. Under the inert atmosphere, add 324 mg of iron trichloride. Cap the necks of the flask with rubber septa and take the flask out of the glove box. Attach an argon-filled balloon to the flask through a needle in the rubber septa. Add 12 ml of anhydrous solvent DCE via syringe. Next, remove one septum and attach the flask to the in situ IR probe. Place the flask in a temperature-controlled bath set to the design.